Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to create the home screen folders on this device. So first you should just press for a while to the application and drag this application to the another app by this way. And as can you see right now, we got here the new folder on our screen. By just the same way you can add one more application to this folder. If we'll just tap here, just by tapping on the name, we can rename the folder, for example, apps. And now as can you see, we have renamed successfully our folder. For example, you can move your folder between the screens, just press for a while and drag it just and move between the screens. Also, we can just turn it back by the same way. If you want to remove the application from the folder, just hold for a while and move it here on your main screen by this way. And as can you see, we just ungroup this application from this folder. So that's it. That's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.